Welcome to Automation 2050 channel. If you are seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for further updates. Thank you, Romini. In this video, we are going to see about RapidMiner tutorial, like RapidMiner Go version tutorial, starting from data uploading till the inspects or the results. So in this video we are going to see about RapidMiner Go without AML, without coding. So just only going to import data, going to see the results, how it is going to come. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Automation 2050. Today we are going to see about the video RapidMiner. So here I have explained the whole process of RapidMiner, starting from data, the inbuilt data, churn prediction data, till the accuracy results. So without a person who are not data scientists or who are not into the data science can also able to see the results of the data science machine learning models through RapidMiner. So RapidMiner is one of the data science software platform developed by the company of the same name that provides an integrated environment for the data preparation, machine learning, deep learning, and predictive analytics. So RapidMiner is a software, it's a platform for data science teams that unites data preparation, model building, deployment, everything together. So it has RapidMiner Studio, RapidMiner Go. So lots of categories are there in between in that RapidMiner. So RapidMiner Go is a AutoML built for everyone that will make data science more accessible for domain experts, business analysts, and business users. So what RapidMiner will do is, it's a web version, so you can just log in through your credentials, and what you have to do is you have to ensure that technical decisions are always made with an intuitive UI. Along with it, it's easy to explore the data, your data also, and access the potential for machine learning to help solve a new problem. So complete the end-to-end data science life cycle with or without a data scientist. The people can able to run the code with AutoML process, starting from importing the data, adding the data, choosing the column whatever we have to predict. For example, here I have predicted, I have chosen a column called churn status, either it is churned or not churned, like that. And after that you have to select the input, select the models. After that it will use it to insert the results. This is the RapidMiner Go web version UI. So first we have to actually add the data, after whatever the data, either the inbuilt data, churn prediction data, or whatever the data, whatever you have. For example, IDs data. So uploading the data, choosing the column, the target variable, that is you have to choose the column with data containing only 2 possible text values. So we have to go into choose the target variable. So data scientists usually call this as a binary classification problem. After that it will go to the next model building, selecting the input. After that like in the right hand side, it will show what are all the distribution of the target variable, like loan status or churn prediction. It will also show the chart, graph, visualization. After that it will go to that model building, where there will be deep learning, machine learning, text classification. Based upon that target variable, the machine learning automatically chooses it, and whatever the model which is selected to the particular problem, it will choose. And then there are only selected algorithms present in it. For example, they have 8 to 10 algorithms only for the Go version. And then after that we have to inspect the results, that is like accuracy, precision, recall. So instantly it will use it to discover, and we can build the best model for our business. So it's a if you want to use this as a software, you have to go and download the RapidMiner software in your desktop, and you can use the end-to-end full machine learning software. You can use it, and then it will optimize. The main important point of using RapidMiner is it is optimize the models for your business based on business gains, not just accuracy. So definitely it will give you a good experience. So people who are data scientists or who are not related to data scientists, who want to just know about it, you can go with RapidMiner by starting with the Titanic dataset, Kaggle dataset. I will attach that dataset below. So you can try starting from scratch till end, starting from uploading the data cleansing, data visualization, like selecting the target variable, models, and accuracy results. So this is seamlessly integrated with RapidMiner platform for analysis and